You want excellent coffee at the touch of a button? Then the Siemens EQ300 is just what you need. It's compact in size but great in style. Fill in your favorite coffee and get started. Its in-cup frother makes preparing perfect milk foam a breeze. And with the intuitive Coffee Direct display, you can quickly select your favorite coffee. Cleaning is just as simple. The frother can be cleaned and reattached easily while the machine is quickly cared for. Delicious coffee at the touch of a button. That's the Siemens EQ300. Enjoy! Siemens Home Appliances.